if you are a forex trader and if you wanting to backtest your strategy but you don't have a PC to do that, and the only thing you have is your mobile phone, then I got you covered, right? So I'm going to show you how to use this particular application to backtest your strategy with a bar replay that can help you to see if your strategy is actually a good one or not, right? So without further ado, let's hop into the video right away. Okay, so this is a platform that I'm going to be using. For now, I'm on an H4 time frame. I think let me just change it to the 1 hour time frame and let's see what we can do together, right? And for the software, I'm going to leave the link in the description, actually, I mean the application, right? So let's say I want to backtest something from here, right? Let's go ahead and use the bar replay tool and see something, right? So this is the bar replay tool at the down over here, and I hope you can see it clearly. Let me just point to it. Okay, so this is the bar replay tool that is there that you can use. So I'm going to tap on it right here, and of course we have the speed that we can increase and decrease over here. So for now I'm going to put it on 0.4 seconds per bar, right? And I'm going to move this to one side so that it doesn't disturb us. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to long press on my phone screen, then this line will appear. Once the line appear, I'll just have to tap on it again, and yes, the candles to the right side will be cleared off, and I'm going to start my back testing from this side, right? So I'm going to just zoom into the chart to see every detail clearly. Now I want to add rectangular bar to this to, let's say, mark out some zones on the chart. So I'll come to the draw side over here, then I'll scroll down till I find the rectangular bar, right? So we have the rectangular bar over here, right? So I'm going to tap on the screen and just draw it this way. After drawing it, I tap empty area on the screen, then I push it to the top wherever I've seen my point of interest, which in this case is my order block at the top over here, and I believe you can also see it, right? Okay, so I'm going to leave it over there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to play this and see how it's going to go. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this position tool to it. So for the position tool, I'm just come to the draw option again, then scroll down till I find a short position, right? Because I'm going to sell the market. Actually, this is just a demonstration. So the short position over here, tap on it, and yes, I'm going to tap here and it's going to appear like this, right? So I'm going to push this to the downside and bring the stop loss down a little bit, right? So let's say something like this. Okay, I think this is okay for now. This is just an illustration, so yeah, it shouldn't be anything that much, right? So I'm going to tap on the play button and let's see how it's gonna go. Okay, so that is it, and this software is called Gocharting, right? So if you go to the Play Store or App Store, just search for Gocharting and you are going to find it. And I'm also going to leave the link in the video description so you don't have to worry yourself that much, right? This is a pretty cool software, application that you can use on your phone to backtest your strategy if you don't have a computer to do that. Okay, and I believe this video has provided a solution to your need. Yeah, so if you like this video, kindly go ahead and hit that like button and also subscribe to this channel, because on this channel I basically share educative content about forex trading and also share my journey right here on this YouTube channel. So subscribe and become part of this family, and I'll see you in the next video. Bless up. And before I go, if you have any requests or whatsoever or anything, feel free, leave it in the comment section below, right? And I also appreciate your feedback very much. It will help me to decide on the next video that I have to make, and if there is any need for me to adjust my method of teaching or whatsoever, it will help me in that way. So kindly go ahead and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.